Ang TIT Audio 1 at ako si Daisy. Ito ang 30cm A3 ink dyeing machine. Dito ay ginagamit sa 7 days. Printer head area, copying area, head clean, linisin ng wiper after head clean, nozzle check, ang ink system ay tama lang. Nilinis ko ang waste stand ngayong araw lang. ABR, ground wire. Nandito naman ang in-use supply. Dito naman ang stock unused supply. Printer daily checklist. August 7 to August 13. Complete naman po. Consumable in use. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Sa white inks, 2. Sa powder, 2. At sa DTF film, 1 lang. Cleaning solution. Wholesale log sheet. As of August 7 hanggang August 13, naka 160 meters ako naran last week. Thank you.